Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video, we're making no-bake coconut bars. To make our coconut bars, first thing I'm going to do is butter a 9 by 9 pan. For the wet ingredients, I have a cup of sweetened condensed milk, and to it, I'm going to add a cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'll just carefully stir it together. I have a large non-stick pan on the stove, and to it I'm going to add 5 cups of coconut. To this I'm going to add our milk mixture and 3/4 of a cup of dried apricot. I'm going to just carefully stir it all in. And this is ready to be put in the pan. I have a 1/4 cup of pistachio. I'll let this cool completely, then put it in the refrigerator for an hour, then slice it up and serve it. And there you have it. That's how you make no-bake coconut bars. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.